Alrighty. Good morning. Good morning. We're on the water here in Pernishan, Louisiana, at Kayak Rentals. If you want to get on the water and do some fishing, and you don't have a kayak, you can always come to Pack. Miss Lisa, Mr. Eddie, they'll take care of you. I'm not sponsored or anything. They didn't ask me to do that, but they're just really nice people, so I figured I could put the word out there if you're down, if you're in Louisiana and you want to do some fishing. So we're gonna just be trying to get on some fish right now. Just got in the water. It's about 7:15. See the sun coming up, and so just try to find some fish. Got about 4 poles. We're just gonna see what's going on. So we're gonna try to hop into this little bayou right here. The water's coming out because it's a falling tide. Low tide is at 10 o'clock. So we're just gonna scoot this little bayou right here, fish the grass line, see where we can get on. So just wanted to make this intro video, and then I'll turn back on the camera if I get on any fish. So all right, I'll see y'all in a little while. All right guys, we got a fish on with the wake bait. He ain't ready to come up yet. Oh, he going under the kayak. There we go. Got a fish in the water. There we go. Solid fish to start the day off with, man. Absolute stud of a fish to start the day off with. First fish on the wake bait. I've been having this wake bait for a little while now, and I never used it. I just be buying. The guy that created this wake bait is a veteran. Shout out to Southern Salt down in Alabama. This is his wake bait. So this is the first. This is actually only the first fish. This is the first fish I ever caught on a wake bait ever in my life. So to catch one that's meant for redfish is awesome. I gotta get my pliers. Weird. I don't think I brought my pliers today. I got my fish grips, but I think I got my needle nose pliers. It's gonna be kind of weird getting this hook out this fish. There we go. We got one hook out. Got bit by a mosquito. Alrighty, here we go. This is the fish. It's in question. Nice fish. Let's get it on the measuring board. I'm fishing out the hobie today, guys, so there's not a lot of room in this hobie that I got. I got Outback, so everything's getting tangled. Put that in the water. Let's put this right here. Let's get a proper measurement on this guy. Sherry. measurement. Let me turn this camera down. There we go. This guy is 23 inches. Let's get a picture.